take a look at this. Girls, get out of the rain! Shit me! Bloody hell, both of you, get out of the rain! This is hailstones. No freaking kidding. It's bucketing down. This is the first ever downpour we've had. I hope the boys are alright. They're doing tip runs. I mean, you can't even see the mountain from here. I'm going to have to try and get the girls out of this rain. Listen to it. And I mean, those are hailstones. We've got freaking hailstones. Oh, my cat's out in this too. He hasn't come back. Listen to it. I'm going to have to get these girls in. They're just drenched. I'm going to have to hair dry them. Ooh. That one was right in front of me. Oh, shit. No, I'm telling you, when we get rain, we get rain. Girls, get out of it. I mean, look, hailstones for Christ's sake. And they hurt too. See if I can catch one. Can't seem to catch one at the moment. Girls! Please! Oh, where's my broom? Oh, the broom's not even in here. Oh, there it is. Shit me. This is just out there. Oh, where'd they go? Oh, there. Oh my god. I mean, it's downpouring. Hailstones. And big ones. Do you know this is Mother's Day? That's half the reason why my mother's in bed. Come on, girls. No, 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 no. Oh, shit. I'm going to have to put my coat on and get those girls inside because this is just pouring down and they're going to get drenched. They are getting drenched. It's the wind chime. Oh, my God. Hailstones, for Christ's sake. I mean, look, there's a hailstone. There, a little white dot. That one there. Hailstone. I mean, we don't get hailstones. Or thunder and lightning like this. The dogs are going off. I'm going to have to go inside. Oh, the poor puppies. I'm going to have to spend the next 3 hours hair drying the 2 chickens. Right. I mean, look at it. It's down our road. It's just pouring. God. It's just a nightmare. My cat's out in this. God, the drain pipes are going to be overflowing in a minute. Jesus, when we have a downpour, we have a downpour. God. Yeah, I know, puppy, you're freaking out. And to believe it's Mother's Day. Oh my God. Usually you can see this mountain.